Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take screenshots with Selenium Webdriver. First, ensure your WebDriver instance is properly initialized for your chosen browser, like Chrome or Firefox. You'll need to import the necessary libraries and set up your driver. This process is fundamental for debugging and validating web page states during automated testing. We'll cover the core method to capture the entire visible screen, saving it as an image file for later review. To capture a full-page screenshot, you'll use the Get Screenshot as File method directly on your WebDriver instance. Simply provide the complete file path, including the desired file name and extension such as screenshot, PNG, for example, driver. Get Screenshot as File, c/temp/myscreenshot. PNG. Remember, the directory where you intend to save the image must already exist, or you'll encounter an error. This method captures the entire visible viewport of the browser. Sometimes, you only need a screenshot of a particular web element, not the entire page. First, locate your desired element using standard Selenium locators, like Find Element by ID or Find Element by CSS Selector. Once you have the element object, you can call it Screenshot as File method. This will save an image containing only that specific element's visual representation. It's incredibly useful for focused testing and visual validation of individual components. For more advanced scenarios, especially when dealing with pages that require scrolling to reveal all content, you might need to execute JavaScript to scroll the page before taking multiple screenshots and stitching them together. Headless browser modes, like Chrome Headless, can also speed up your screenshot process significantly. Remember to check the description for a link to Grab Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. This helps keep your car smelling fresh while you automate your web tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.